Okay, so today we discuss second question 5.3. Then this is the first sub question. So find the sums given below. That is the given question. So 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus 7 so on plus 84 is the given question. And how to find sum? The formula is there na, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d formula. Okay, but here first we find n value by using an formula. So means an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. For that we want a value and d value. Clear? So first we write the given value. What is that? Given AP or given that 7, 10 and a half, 14 plus and so on plus 84. Again that is 7 plus, now convert it to normal fraction. So 2 into 10, 20 plus 1, 21 divided by 2. So 14 plus and so on plus 84. So in this a equal to first term, that is 7, right? And coming to d, second term minus first term, that is 21 by 2 minus 7. So LCM is 2 na? And how to write this one? So 21 minus 7 into 2 is 14. Then what is the remaining? 7 by 2. That is common difference D. After that write last term. Last term is denoted by either L or AN. That equal to 84. And by using this and by using AN formula, just we find the required value. Required value means n value. Okay. Now how to write it? A plus n minus 1 into d equal to 84. Now what is the first term? That is 7. So 7 plus n minus 1 into d. D value is 7 by 2 equal to right here 84. In next step write plus 7 that side. So we get minus 7. Then how to write it? 7 by 2 into n minus 1. And here 84 minus 7. Then what is the remaining value? Means difference 84 minus 7. How much? 77. Correct? So just write here 77. 77 plus 7 is equal to 84, right? Now n minus 1 equal to, if you write 7 by 2 that side, then both numerator and denominator will be interchanged. Now 7 1 ja, 7 11 ja. Now 11 into 2 is equal to 22. Therefore n equal to 22 plus 1 equal to 23. Now this is the value of n. After that we find Sn value. So therefore Sn equal to, there are two formulas. One is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Another one is n by 2 into a plus l. Okay, we'll take that second formula. So n by 2 and here a plus l. But what is the value of n? N equal to 23. So now n equal to 23. Then S23 equal to 23 divided by 2. What is the value of A? A equal to 7, right? So write here 7 plus L. L is nothing but EAN, last term. What is that? 84. Then? So write here 84. So that equal to 23 by 2 into 84 plus 7 is 91. So just write here 91. Clear? Now just multiply these two. So I am writing here. So 91, 23. 3 1 ja 3. 3 9 ja 27. 2 1 ja 2. 2 9 ja 18. So it is 3, it is 9, it is 10 and it is 2. So 2093 divided by 2 is the answer. Now this is second question. 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus and so on plus 10. So first we write given AP, right? So given AP. What is that? 34, 32, 30 and so on 10. So first term A equal to 34. Common difference D equal to 32 minus 34 equal to minus 2. and the last term, what is that? L or AN, that is equal to 10. Now again we use this formula AN equal to 10. So AN means A plus N minus 1 into D, nth term formula, right? And it is equal to 10. Now A means 34, then N minus 1, and the D value is minus 2, equal to 10. In next step, write 34 that side. If you write 34 that side, we get minus 34, right? Then that is 10 minus 34 equal to minus 24. Now N minus 1 equal to minus 24 divided by minus 2, that can be written as 12. So N equal to 12 plus 1 equal to 13. Now Sn equal to, what is the formula? N by 2 into A plus L. Now N equal to 13, right? So S13. So 13 divided by 2 into A plus L. What is A? 34, right? And the L value is 10. So 13 divided by 2 into, it is 44. So 22 times cancel, right? Now it is 22 into 13 or 13 into 22. 13 into 2 means 26. So 6, it is 2. Again 26 plus 2, 28. So answer is 286. Now this is third question. So first we write given AP. So given AP, what is that? First term minus 5, minus 5, right? Second one is minus 8. Third one minus 11. Plus and so on, and last one is minus 230. Clear? Minus 5, minus 8, minus 11, plus and so on, minus 230. Okay, now this is third question, right? So first we write given AP. So given AP, what is that? Minus 5, minus 8, minus 11, and so on, minus 230. So here A equal to first term, that is minus 5. D equal to common difference. How to find that? Second term minus first term. So second term is minus 8. Minus first term is minus 5. So minus 8 plus 5 equal to minus 3. And the last term, either AN or L, that is minus 230. And the nth term formula, what is that? A plus N minus 1 into D, that is equal to minus 230. Now what is the value of A? A equal to minus 5 and N minus 1, and the D value is minus 3. And it is minus 230. So if you write minus 5 that side, we get plus 5. So here we get minus 3 into N minus 1 and minus 230 plus 5. So it is minus 225. Right? Now N minus 1 equal to minus 225 divided by minus 3. So minus minus cancelled. So 3 7 is 21, then 15 is 3 5 is 15. Clear? Now N equal to 75. If you write minus 1 that side, we get plus 1, that equal to 76. Then we find Sn value. So Sn equal to, so again use same formula, M by 2 into A plus L. But what is the value of N36? N equal to 76, right? And then how to write it? S76 equal to N by 2, that is 76 divided by 2 into A plus L. So what is A? Minus 5. Then plus of minus 230. Right? And then how to write this? Here 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 6, right? Then 2 8 ja 16. So it is 38 into minus 235. Why? Because plus into minus minus. So minus 230 minus 5 is minus 235. Now we have to multiply both the values. So I am writing here 235 into 38, right? 8 5 is 40. 8 3 is 24 plus 4 28. and 8 2 ja 16 plus 2 18, 3 5 ja 15, right? 3 3 ja 9, 9 plus 1 10, 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 0 13 9 8. So plus and minus, minus 8930 is the answer. Question number 3. In an AP, in that first sub question, given A equal to 5, D equal to 3, AN equal to 50. First term is given, common difference is given, nth term is given. We find n value and Sn value. Sn means sum of first n terms, right? So first we get the given data. Na? What is that? Given that A equal to first term 5, D equal to common difference 3, then AN equal to 50. Again I am writing AN value here, okay? AN equal to 50. And what is the formula of AN? A plus n minus 1 into D, nth term. So write here A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 50. Now A is 5, n minus 1 into D is 3 equal to 50. Next step, write 5 that side. Then we get minus 5, right? Already 50 is there. Then minus 5, that equal to 45. And n minus 1 equal to 45 divided by 3 equal to 15. So now n equal to 15, then plus 1 equal to 16. So this is the value of n. After that, we find sum of first n terms, Sn value. What is the formula? N by 2. And one more thing, last term is given. Then write A plus L. Okay, so here A plus L. Otherwise, if you want to take, if you want to apply that second formula, what is that? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. You can use that formula also. Okay, now what is the value of n? N equal to 16. So we find sum of first 16 terms, right? So 16 by 2, A plus L. A equal to 5. And L means last term 50. So here 8 times cancelled. Then 8 into how much it is? 55. So 8 5 is 40, right? And again 8 5 is 40. 40 plus 4, 44. So answer is 440. This second sub question in third May. So first term is 7. So right here given that A equal to 7. A13 equal to 35. A13 means 13th term. Then how to write 13th term? That can be written as A plus 12D. Na? So it is 35. But what is the value of A? 7. So 7 plus 12 into D equal to 35. Now 12D equal to 35. Then minus 7. Right? What is the difference? 35 minus 5 is 30. Then again minus 2. So 28. So write here 28, right? Then what is the value of D? D equal to 28 to divide by, what is that? 12. So 4 3 ja, 4 7 ja. Then 7 by 3 is the value of D. And then now we find S13, right? First we write Sn formula. Sn formula generally, I told you just now, two formulas are there. One is n by 2 into A plus L. When we use that formula, if last term will be given, we use that formula. But here last term is 13, right? Correct? Then we can take that, consider that one only. Why? Because we want S13. Otherwise, n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D formula is there. If you want, you can use that formula also. Okay, so now I am taking the second formula only. N by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now what is the value of n? N equal to 13, right? Then S13 equal to 13 by 2 into 2A, 2 into 7 plus n minus 1. N is 13. So 13 minus 1 into D. What is the value of D? D is 7 by 3. Now it is 13 by 2 and 14. How much it is? 13 minus 1, 12 into 7 by 3. So 4 times cancelled. that is 13 divided by 2 into, it is 14. Then 4 into 7 is 28. So again I am writing here, therefore S13 equal to, so 13 divided by 2 means this value. So 28 plus 4, 32. 32 plus 10, 42. Then write here into 42. So 21 times, then 13 into 21. So 13 1 is 13, right? 13 2 is 26. 26 plus 1 is 27. Then this is the answer. 27. 3 means 273 is the answer. Now this is third one. Means third sub question in third main. So given A12 equal to 37, D equal to 3. Find A and S12. First term and sum of first 12 terms. So first write given data. What is that? Given that A12 equal to 37, D equal to 3. So A12 can be written as A plus 11D equal to 37. So A plus 11 into D means 3, na? Equal to 37. Now A plus 33 equal to 37. So A equal to 37 minus 3 equal to 4. This is the value of A. Now we find S12. So that Sn formula is there, na? So what is that? N by 2 into A plus L. Now I am using this formula only. Otherwise, if you want to apply previous question formula, you can use that one also, no problem. Now what is the value of N? N equal to 12. So write here N equal to 12. So it is S12. So 12 by 2. And A plus L means the last term. What is that? A12. Clear? Now 6. What is the value of A? A is 4. Plus A12 is how much? 37. So 37 plus 1. How much? 41. Now 6 1 is 6. 6 4 is 24. So 246 is the answer. Now this is fourth sub question. So what is the given data? A3 value is given, right? That is 15. S10 is given, that is 125. So A3 means third term. S10 means sum of first 10 terms, right? So again I am taking A3, that is 15. So A3 can be written as A plus 2D equal to 15, equation number 1. And after that write S10 equal to 125. So S10 can be written as 10 by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1, 10 minus 1 into D. It is equal to 125. And how much it is? 5. It is 2A. Na? Then how much? 10 minus 1 is 9. 9D equal to 125. Now we write 2A plus 9D means that bracket value. So 125 divided by 5. So 5 2 is 10. Then 25 means 5 5 is 25. Okay. Now this is second equation. By solving 1 and 2 we get A and D values. Okay. Now it is A. It is 2A. If you multiply by 2, then after subtracting, A term will be cancelled, then we get D value, right? So just write here from equations 1 and 2. Right? Now, first equation into 2. So how to write this? 2A, 2 into 2D, 4D, 2 into 15, 30. And the second equation is as it is, right? Then what is that? 2A plus 9D. It is 25. Then minus minus minus. A term will be cancelled. Means A term gets cancelled. And 4D minus 9D. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So it is minus 5D. And 30 minus 25 is 5. So D equal to 5 divided by minus 5, that equal to minus 1. So this is the value of D. And after that we find A10. What is the formula of AN? an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now n equal to 10 means how to write it? A plus 9d, right? Now what is the value of a? A value, but we don't know about the value of a also, right? Then after finding d value, we find a value. Then how to find a value? Substitute d value either in 1 or in 2. Got it my point? Why? Because here it is required value, na? So that's why I am writing here. So put, what is that? D equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. Not only in equation 1, if you want to substitute in second equation, you can substitute, okay? Comma, we get, so how to write that value? So a plus then 2d, so 2 into minus 1 equal to 15. Then a minus 2 equal to 15. Now a equal to, what is that? 15 plus 2 equal to 17. Clear? Now how to simplify this? Equal to a means 17. 9 into d value is minus 1. Am I right? And then 17 minus 9. So what is the difference? 17 minus 9. 8. So answer is 8. Okay, now fifth one. So given that common difference d equal to 5. S9 equal to 75. Right? Again I am writing here S9 equal to 75. Then how to write S9? Sn formula is there, na? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Use that formula. So how to write this S9? So n equal to 9. So 9 by 2. So 2a plus n minus 1 means 9 minus 1. D value is 5 equal to 75. Now in next step write this to that side, okay? Otherwise write this whole value that side. Then what is the remaining value here? 2a plus 9 minus 1, 8 into 5 equal to 75 into, if you write 9 by 2 that side, we get 2 by 9. Right? And now how much it is? 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. Cancel. Then 25 into 2, 50 divided by 3. Now 2a plus 40 equal to 50 divided by 3. Next step write 40 that side, okay? So 50 by 3 minus 40. So LCM is 3, right? And it is 50. Now 3 4 12 means 120. So 50 minus 120 is minus 70 divided by 3. Now this is the value of 2a. Now a equal to 1 by 2 into minus 70 divided by 3. So here it is 35 times cancel, right? Then minus 35 divided by 3 is the value of a. Clear? After that we find a9. So what is the formula of an? So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we want a9, that can be written as a plus 8d, right? Anyway, d value is given and here we found that a value. Substitute both the values. So a means what is that? Minus 35 by 3 and 8 into what is the value of d? D equal to 5. So minus 35 divided by 3 plus 8 5 is 40. Again minus 35 means LCM is 3, na? Then 3 4 is 12, 120. Now what is the difference? So I am writing here 120, then 35. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 11, that is 85, right? So 85 divided by 3 is the answer. Now sixth sub question. So given that a equal to 2, d equal to 8, Sn equal to 90. So we'll find n value and an value. Okay. Now again write Sn here. What is that? 90. Now what is the formula of Sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So it is equal to 90. And in this n divided by 2, so 2a means 2 into 2. N minus 1 into d value is 8 equal to 90. Right, after that write n by 2 that side. Then we get 2 by n. And here the bracket value 2 into 2 4. Then 8 into n 8n. Right, minus 8 equal to how much it is? How to write this value? So here 90 into 2 by n, otherwise do one thing, write n value here only, don't change that. Why? Because if you write this side, we get 90 into 2 by n, again we have to write n value this side. Directly keep here like this only, then take this to that side, okay. Now what is that? 90 into 2, clear? Now n into 8n, then 4 minus 8 is minus 4, then 90 into 2, clear? Now 8n square minus 4n minus 180 equal to 0. So in this, which is common? 4 is not possible, but 2 is possible, na? So if you take 2 common, okay, then what is the remaining? Not 2, 4 is also possible, right? 4 4 ja 16, no? Then 20 means 4 5 ja, then directly take 4. Clear? Now it is 2n square minus n minus how much? How much? 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 0. Then 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. Now 2 into minus 45 minus 40. 2 into minus 45 is how much? Minus 90. Correct? So how to write minus 90? Factors. Suppose if you take 10 into minus 9, 10 into minus 9 is minus 90. But 10 minus 9 plus 1. But it is minus 1. Then minus 10 plus 9. Clear? Then I am writing here. So 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. Now say minus 10 into 9 minus 90, minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. Now which is common here? 2n is common. What is the remaining? n minus 5. And 9 into n minus 5 equal to 0. So 2n plus 9 into n minus 5 equal to 0. Then 2n plus 9 equal to 0. n minus 5 equal to 0. So it is 2n equal to minus 9. So n equal to minus 9 by 2. And coming to this, n equal to 5. But we are considering only positive values. So n is not equal to minus 9 by 2. So it is negative. Na? Negative is not possible. Na? Does not exist. Because of that reason we are neglecting that value. So now this is the value of n. After that we want an value, right? What is the form of an? That can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. Now a value is given, how much it is 2, na? So right here 2 plus n minus 1, 5 minus 1 into d, that is 8, right? So it is 2 plus 5 minus 1, 4 into 8, how much? 4 into 8 is 32, na? So 2 plus 32 equal to 34 is the answer. Now this is a 7th sub question. A equal to 82, an equal to 62, Sn equal to 210 is given. Find n and d values. So first we write the given data. What is that? A equal to 8, an equal to 62, Sn equal to 210. Now again I am taking an. So an means a plus n minus 1 into d. It is equal to 62, right? Now a value is given. What is the value of a? That is 8. So 8 plus n minus 1 into d equal to 62. Next step, write 8 that side. Okay, we get minus 8. Nah? So here n minus 1 into d equal to 62 minus 8. So 62 minus 8 is how much? 54. 54. Just write here equal to 54. This is equation number 1. After that, take Sn value. What is Sn? Sn equal to 210. Now what is the formula? N by 2. So 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 210. Right? Now again n by 2. So 2 into a. What is the value of a? That is 8. And from equation number 1, we get n minus 1 into d equal to 54, right? So just write here n minus 1 into d, that is 54, equal to 210. In brackets is equation number 1. Then how to write it? So here n by 2, 16 plus 54 equal to 210, right? So 54 plus 660 plus 10, 70. So n into 70 equal to 210 into 2, right? It is by 2. If you write that side, it will go to numerator. Then again write n value. How to write it? 210 into 2 divided by 70. 0, 0, 7, 3 is 21. Then 3, 2 is 6. This is the value of n, right? After that, we wanted d value. So how to find the d? Do one thing, substitute n value in this equation. Okay, then we get d value. So right here, put n equal to 6 in equation number 1. Right? So how to write it? N minus 1, 6 minus 1 into d equal to 54. Right? Now what is the value of the left hand side? 5d equal to 54. Now d equal to 54 divided by 5. This is the answer. Okay, now this is the 8th sub question in third main. Given that an equal to 4, d equal to 2, Sn equal to minus 14. Just again I am taking an value. What is that for now? Now what is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into d. So right here a plus n minus 1 into d. It is equal to 4. Now d equal to 2. Now just to substitute that value. So that can be written as 2 into n minus 1 equal to 4. Equation number 1. And again I am taking Sn value. Sn equal to minus 14. So Sn formula n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and it is equal to how much? Minus 14. Now n by 2 and 2a can be written as a plus a and n minus 1 into what is d, that is 2, right, equal to minus 14. And here a plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 4. So it is n by 2 and a plus, clear? Now what is that value? A plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 4. Now write here 4, and this whole value is equal to minus 14. Now how to write it? N into a plus 4 equal to 2 into minus 14 minus 28. Then after this, do one thing. Here we want a value and n value, both are unknown values. So they asked those two values only. Then how to find that? Suppose if we substitute a value here or n value, then we get one of the unknown constant, right? And from this, n equal to minus 28 divided by a plus 4. Now this is the value of a. Do one thing, sorry, n value. Now substitute this n value in this place. Am I right? Then how to write that value? So from equation number 1 implies a plus 2 into n means minus 28 divided by a plus 4, right? Minus 1. Correct? So write here n minus 1 equal to 4. Then LCM is how much? A plus 4. So write here a plus 4. Now what is that first term? A into a plus 4. Right? And here minus 2 into 28 minus 56. again minus 2 into a plus 4 equal to 4. Now first term is a square, 4a minus 56 minus 2a, then minus 2 into 4, 8. Now 4 into a is 4a and 4 into 4, 16. This 4a, that 4a gets cancelled. Okay, now what is the remaining value here? So a square, right, minus 2a, then minus 56 minus 8 minus 64. So minus 64, if you write 16 this side, we get minus 16 equal to 0. Then a square minus 2a, then 64 plus 6, 70 plus 10, 80. So minus 80 equal to 0. Now what are the factors for that? Minus 80. If you take minus 10 into 8, minus 80, minus 10 plus 8 is minus 2. Then a square minus 10a plus 8a minus 80 equal to 0. Now a into a minus 10 and 8 into a minus 10 equal to 0. So from this we get a plus 8 into a minus 10 equal to 0. Now possible values of a is minus 8 comma 10, right? Now we find n value. Then how to find n value? Suppose if we take a equal to minus 8, then what is the value of n? N can be written as minus 28 divided by, so a plus 4, a means minus 8, minus 8 to plus 4, that is minus 28 divided by minus 4, minus 8 plus 4, right? Then how much it is? So 4 7 is 28. And if you take another value of a, what is that? A equal to 10. Clear? Now what is the value of n? Minus 28 divided by, so a value is 10. So 10 plus 4. So minus 28 divided by 14 equal to minus 2. But it is negative, so neglect that value. Then what is the value of n? N equal to 7 is the final answer. Now see this question. Question number 9 means sub question 9 in third main. First term is given, right? N value is given. S is given. S means sum of first n terms, either S or Sn. Now I am taking this value. S equal to 192. What is the formula? N by 2. So 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 192. Now n value is given how much? 8. So 8 by 2. Then 2a, 2 into 3. N minus 1, what is that? 8 minus 1 into d equal to 192. So it is 4, right? So 4 into 6 plus 7d equal to 192. Now 6 plus 7d equal to, how to write it? 192 divided by 4. So 4 4 is 16. Then 32 means 4 8 is 32. Now what is the value of 70? 48 minus 6, that can be written as 42. Therefore d equal to 42 by 7. How much? 6. That is the answer. See this question. L value is given. L is nothing but last term, right? So L equal to An equal to 28. S means Sn, that is 144. And there are total 9 terms, that is the value of n. So n equal to 9. Now we find a value. So again I am taking this An equal to 28. That can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 28. Now n value is given, right? Now substitute that a plus 9 minus 1 into d equal to 28. That is a plus 8d equal to 28, and it is equation number 1. After that Sn value is given. Now S is nothing but Sn, right? Then n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 144. Now, what is the value here? N is given, right? So substitute n value. Then what is the value of n? 9. So 9 by 2. So 2a. 9 minus 1 into d equal to 144. After that, write 9 by 2 that side. Then how much we get? It is 2a. 9 minus 1 is 8. Then 8d. And that side 144 into 2 by 9. And then is it possible to cancel this? If you take 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. 12 means 24. 8 times. Again 16 times. Right? Then 16 into 2 equal to 32. And 2 is common. Then a plus 4d equal to 32. Now a plus 4 into d equal to 32 by 2 equal to 16. Now it is equation number 2. And we want, what is that? Which one we want? A value. Na? Otherwise here if 2 is not common, then we'll get 8d. After subtracting, both will be cancelled, d term. Otherwise, if we write like this, again we have to multiply by 2. Multiply with 2. Then only we get 8d here. Am I right? So, from equations 1 and 2. We get, is it clear? So actually it is not required. 2 is common. Has taken 2 is common. It is not required. If you want, we can write directly 2a plus 8d equal to 32, equation number 2. Then after subtracting this 2, 8d gets cancelled. But what I did here, so I took 2 as common. Got it my point? If you want, you can do like this. Otherwise, you can take this equation directly. Don't get any confusion in that. Now 1 implies that, what is that first equation? A plus 8d equal to 28. Right? And now second equation into 2. So how much we get here? 2a plus 8d. It is 32. Now minus, right? So d term will be cancelled. Then what is the remaining? A minus 2a means minus a. 28 minus 32, that is minus 4. Right? Now minus gets cancelled. Then what is the value of a? A equal to 4. That is the final answer. Okay, now see this fourth question. How many terms of AP? 9, 17, 25 and so on must be taken to given a sum of 636. Means AP is given, SN value is given. By using the given AP, we write what is that? A value, D value. Right? And this is about SN. And by using SN formula, we find the value of F. That is the meaning of this question. Clear? And now, given AP 9, 17, 25 and so on. A equal to 9. D equal to 17 minus 9. How much? 8. So write here 8. And coming to SN. SN equal to 636. And n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 636. Then n by 2. So 2a, 2 into 9. N minus 1 into t. What is d? 8. And it is equal to 636. Now n into, it is 18. Right? 8 into n, 8n. Minus 8 equal to 636 into 2. Actually here it is in denominator. If you write that side, it will be to numerator, right? Now n into, what is that value? 18 minus 8, 10. plus 8n equal to 636 into 2. Just write as it is. Okay, now 2 is common. Then 2n into 5 plus 4n equal to 636 into 2. Now 2 gets cancelled. Then 5n plus 4n square minus 636 equal to 0. Then 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. Then how to find factors? It is minus 636, but difference is 5. If you take this 58 into 47, what is the difference? 58 minus 47, 5 is okay. And how much it is? 7 8 is 56, 7 5 is 35 plus 5 40, 4 8 is 32, okay. Then 4 5 is 20 plus 3 23, 6, and it is 272. Correct? Now 2726 is the value. Suppose if you multiply these two, 636 into 4, how much it is? So 4 into 6, 24. 24, but it is 6, it is not possible. Then which term will be taking? Okay, do one thing. First multiply these two. 636 into 4. How much? 4 6 is 24. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 14. 4 into 6. How much? 4 into 6 24. 4 into 3 12 plus 4 14. 4 into 6 24 plus 1 25. That is the value. Then how to take this? Suppose if you take, what is that, 48 into 53, then 48 into 53 means difference is 5. We don't have any problem with that. If you multiply, how much we get? 3 8 is 24, na? 3 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 5 into 8 40, 5 into 4 20 plus 4 24. So we get 2544. Yes, got it. But it is positive plus, then better, right? 53 minus 48. So 53 minus 48 is plus 5. Okay. So just write here 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 equal to 0. After this, so n is common, right? 4n plus 53 minus, so 48 into 53 is how much? 2544. But in this, which is the common value? 48 is not common. Then which one is common? Suppose if you take 12, 12 4 is 48. Okay, we'll try. So 12 into 4n. Then minus is common. Then write here plus. Then 12 is common means 12 5 is 60. 36 means 12 3 is 36 equal to 0. Now how to write this? Again 4n plus 53 is the common. If it is common, then what's the remaining value? N minus 12 equal to 0. Now 4n plus 53 equal to 0. N minus 12 equal to 0. So from this we get 4n equal to minus 53, then n equal to minus 53 divided by 4. And here we get n equal to 12. So n equal to 12. N is not equal to minus 53 divided by 4. Why? Because it is negative value. N is nothing but quantity. Quantity is always positive, na? So that we are neglecting that negative minus 53 by 4. Okay. Now this is fifth question. The first term of an LP is 5. The last term is 45. and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference, means we find n value and d value. First we write the given data. What's the given data here? Given that first term is given, that is a equal to 5. Last term either an or l, it is equal to 45. Clear? Then sum is given. What is that? Sn. So Sn equal to 400. Now again I am taking this value, an value. So an equal to 45. That can be written as a plus n minus 1 into t equal to 45. Now what's the value of a? 5. Just substitute 5. Then n minus 1 into t equal to 45. So n minus 1 into t equal to 45 minus 5 equal to 40. Clear? Now we'll take Sn value. What's the value of Sn here? 400. And what's the formula of Sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t, and it is 400. Right? And here this is equation number 1, n minus 1 into t. So do one thing, write n by 2 as it is, and coming to this 2 into 5, n minus 1 into d is how much? 40, equal to 400. Just write here in brackets is equation number 1. And from this we get n by 2 into 10 plus 40, right? Am I right? And equal to 400. And n into, it is 50. So it is 400 into 2. Now n equal to 400 into 2 divided by 5, 0, 0, 0, and it is 8 times, right? 8 into 2 is 60. So this is the value of n. Okay. After that, what they asked? Number of terms is clear. Therefore, the required number of terms, equal to how many? 16. And we find the common difference. Do one thing. Substitute this n value in this equation number 1. So now right here put n equal to 16 in equation number 1. So therefore 16 minus 1 into d equal to how much? That is 40. Right here 40. Here n minus 1 into d, but what is the value of n? N is 16. Now it is 15d equal to 40. Therefore d equal to 40 divided by 15. 5 3 ja, here 5 8 ja, then 8 by 3 is the value of d. That is the common difference. So d equal to 8 by 3 is the answer. Okay, now this is 6th question. The first and last terms of NAP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there? And what is their sum? How many terms are there? Means n value. And we find sum of first n terms, that is Sn value. Okay. So first we write the given data. What is the given data? A is given, right? 17. And the last term, what is that? Either an or l. How much it is? That is 350. And the common difference, that is d equal to 9. Got it? How many terms are there? Then formula is there for an. What is the formula of an? An equal to 350. So it is a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 350. Now a means 17. N minus 1 into d 9 equal to 350. Then 9 into n minus 1 equal to 350 minus 17. Right? What is the difference here? 350 minus 17. 10 minus 7, 3 na? 3 na? 3, right? Correct? 333 plus 7, 340 plus 10, 350. So now this is 9 into n minus 1. Now what is the value of n minus 1? That can be written as 333 divided by 9. Then 9 3 is 27. 27 means 3 plus 3 6 63. 7 times. Then 9 3 is 27. 9 7 is 63. That equal to 37. Right? Then n equal to 37 plus 1 equal to 38. So this is the value of n. And after that, what they ask is that what is their sum? That is Sn value. But here, yes, A is given, D is given. We don't have any problem with that. Now directly write Sn. Sn equal to, what is the meaning of that? Sum, right? If you want, just write here the sum of first n terms, comma, Sn equal to n by 2 into, use this formula, A plus L. Now, what is the value of n? 38. Then write here, yes, 38. So, 38 by 2 into A. What is the value of A? 17. Plus L value 350. Right? So, it is 19, right? Into 350 plus 7, 357 plus 10, 367. So right here 367. Now 367 into 19. So 9 7 is 63 here. 9 into 6 56 plus 4 60. 9 3 is 27, 33. It is 7, it is 6, it is 3. So 3, 7, 9, how much? 6. Then 6973 is the answer. Okay. This is next question. That is question number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D equal to 7 and the 22nd term is 149. Then just we find S22. That is the meaning of sum of first 22 terms. For that we write the given data. What is the given data? Common difference is given. How much it is? D equal to 7. And the A22 is given, that is 149. Clear? Now again I am taking this. A22 can be written as A plus 21D. It is 149. And A plus 21 into 7 equal to 149. So A plus 7 14 equal to 149. Now what's the value of A? That is 149 minus 147 equal to 2. This is the value of A. And after that, what they asked in that question? Sum of first 22 terms. So A value is there, D value is there, N value is also there. Now sum of first 22 terms means, what is the meaning of that? S22, right? So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Otherwise, one more formula is there. Now what is that? N by 2 into a plus L. What is the value of L here? Last term, 22nd term. If you want, you can use that formula also, no problem. Either this formula or n by 2 into a plus L means, what is that? A22. So write here A22. But comparatively this is the easiest formula. Okay. Now what is the value of n here? N equal to 22. Then S22 equal to, I am using this formula, 22 by 2. What is A? A is 2 plus A22 is how much? 149. Then it is 11 into 151. So 11 1 11. 11 5 is 55 plus 1 56. Right? Again 11 1 11. 11 plus 5 16. Then 1661 is the answer. Okay, now question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Second term is given, third term is given, right? Second term is denoted by A2, third term is denoted by A3, right? So it is 18. Now A2 can be written as A plus D, and here A plus 2D equal to 18. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So write here from equations 1 and 2. We get, now what is the first equation? A plus D equal to 14 and A plus 2D equal to 18. Now change this side, minus, minus, minus. A term gets cancelled. D minus 2D minus D. 14 minus 18 equal to minus 4. Now D equal to 4. Right? Then substitute D value either in equation 1 or in equation 2. Suppose if we substitute D value in equation number 1, okay, how to write that? A plus 4 equal to 14. So A equal to 14 minus 4 equal to 10. Got it? Now what they ask is that sum of first 51 terms. Now what is that formula? The required sum of first 51 terms is S51 equal to n by 2, means 51 by 2, 2a. Now this is the value of a, right? So 2a means 2 into 10 plus n minus 1, 51 minus 1 into d. What is d? D is 4. That is 51 by 2 and it is 20. 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. Clear? So 51 by 2. So 20. 4 5 is 20 means it is 200. Then 51 by 2 into 220. Then 110. So 51 into 110. Then how much it is? So just I am writing here. 110 into 51. 0, 1, 1, 0, 5, again 5, right? 0, 1, 6, 5. Then answer is 5, 6, 1, 0. So this is the value of S51. Clear? Okay, now this is the 9th question. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. So, sum of first n terms, again we find Sn value only. Okay. For that first we write the given data. What is the given data here? Sum of first 7 terms, that is S7 equal to 49. And the second one, S17, it is 289. So S7 can be written as, again I am writing here 7 by 2 now, then 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d equal to 49. Now write 7 by 2 that side. Here we get 2a plus 6d and 49 into 2 by 7. So 7 times. So 7 into 2 is 14, equation number 1. And again S17 equal to 289. So 17 by 2, again 2a plus n minus 1, 17 minus 1 into d equal to 289. Now it is 2a, 17 minus 1, 16, 16d. So 289 into 2 by 17, 17 times, then it is 34, equation number 2. Right? Now directly we will take two equations 1 and 2. So write here from equations 1 and 2. We get, now see that first equation. What is that? 2a plus 6d equal to 14. Again 2a plus 16d equal to 34. Now minus minus minus, a term will be cancelled. 6 minus 16 minus 10. Here 14 minus 34 minus 20. Now d equal to minus 20 divided by minus 10 equal to 2. This is the value of d. And now we find a value. So how to find a value? Just substitute d value either in equation 1 or in equation 2. But I am taking first equation only. So put what is that? D equal to 2 in equation 1, comma, we get, so 2 here, then plus 6d, so 6 into 2 equal to 14. So 2a equal to 14 minus 12. Actually it is 6 into 2, 12. If you write that side, we get minus 12. Then 14 minus 12 equal to 2. What is the value of a? That is 2 by 2 equal to 1. This is the value of a. Clear? Now d is 2, a is 1. Now we find Sn, right? So what is the formula? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2, 2a, 2 into 1, n minus 1 into d. What is d? D is 2. Clear? Now n by 2, it is 2 plus n into 2 is 2n minus 2. Now plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. Now what's the remaining? N by 2 into 2n. Again 2 gets cancelled, then n square. Therefore Sn equal to n square is the answer. So that is the sum of first n terms. Okay, now this is question number 10. Two sub questions are given in that. Okay, and the nth term is given. They ask to find the sum of first 15 terms, but in this we need to check it either it is an AP or not. If it is an AP, then only we find S15, otherwise it's not required. But when we say that the given progression is arithmetic progression, common difference is equal. Correct? Now take the first one. What is that? an equal to 3 plus 4n. n equal to 1. a1 equal to 3 plus 4 into 1. So 3 plus 4 equal to 7. n equal to 2. a2 3 plus 4 into 2. That is 3 plus 8. That is 11. Then n equal to 3. Then a3 na. 3 plus 4 into 3. So 3 plus 12 equal to 15. Right? Now and so on. Then this is the given progression, right? So how to write it? Therefore, the progression is, what is that? 7, 11, 15 and so on. In this, what is the first term? That is Ca. D equal to 11 minus 7 equal to 4, or 15 minus 11 equal to 4. So in both the cases D is same, equal. Then we say that it is an AP. Therefore, it is an AP. Now we find S15, right? So first we write the Sn formula. What is that? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And substitute n equal to 15. Then we get S15. How to write it? 15 by 2. Then 2a. So 2 into what is a? A means first term 7. Plus n minus 1. 15 minus 1 into d. So d is 4. Clear? So it is 15 by 2. And it is 14. For 15 minus 1 is 14 into 4. Then how to write it? Now 15 by 2, 2 into 7, 14. 15 minus 1 is 14 into 4, right? Again 15 divided by 2 into, suppose 14 is common, then how much we get? 1 plus 4, right? So here 7 times, so 105. 15 into 7 is 105 into 5. So 5 5 is 25. 5 into 0 means 0 plus 2. 5 into 1, 5. So answer is 525. This is second sub question in 10th main. What is the value of an here? 9 minus 5n. n equal to 1. a1 equal to 9 minus 5 into 1. That is 9 minus 5 equal to 4. n equal to 2. We get a2, right? 9 minus 5 into 2. So 9 minus 10 equal to minus 1. n equal to 3. So a3 equal to 9 minus 5 into 3. That is 9 minus 15. That can be written as minus 6, right? So, and etc. Just write here the given progression. Is, so what is that first term for? Then minus 1, minus 6 and etc. So here a equal to 4, b equal to minus 4, minus 1, minus 4 equal to minus 5, or third term minus second term means minus 6 minus of minus 1. That is minus 6 plus 1 equal to minus 5. So common difference is same. Therefore it is an AP. So now we find S15, right? So first we write Sn formula, right? What is the value of Sn? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What's the value of n here? 15. So n equal to 15. Then S15 equal to 15 by 2 and 2a. So a value is 4. So 2 into 4. N minus 1. 15 minus 1 into d. So d is minus 5. Right? So 15 by 2. So it is 8. And 15 minus 1 is 14 into minus 5. Then 15 by 2. So 8 plus into minus minus 14 into 5. How much? 70. So now what is the difference here? 15 by 2. Then minus 62. Then 31 times, then minus 15 into 31. So how much? So minus 15 into 1 is 15. 15 into 3, 45, right? So 45 plus 5, 50, correct? 15 into 1, 15, then 1. 15 into 3, 45 plus 1. 46, that is the answer. Minus 465 is the answer.